Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a restricted PayPal account issue. When PayPal restricts your account, it usually means they need more information about your activity or there's been a security concern. To resolve this, log into your PayPal account and go to the Resolution Center. There, you'll see the reason for the restriction and the exact steps required to remove it. Most of the time, you'll need to confirm your identity by uploading documents like a government-issued ID, proof of address, or bank and card details. If you're running a business account, PayPal may also ask for invoices, supplier details, or proof of recent transactions. Complete all the steps listed and submit the requested documents directly through the Resolution Center. Once submitted, PayPal will review them, and if everything is correct, they'll lift the restriction and restore access to your account. The review time can vary from a few hours to several days, depending on your case. And that's it. That's how you fix a restricted PayPal account issue. Subscribe the channel for more videos.